Did you know if your website takes more than 3 seconds to load, 40% of your visitors will leave? That's right, slow website could cost you traffic, sales, and even Google rankings. Hey guys, this is Raja from Elementor add-ons. In this video, we'll talk about the main reasons why website runs slow. I will show you some best tools to help you boost your website speed. And stay tuned for my top pick on the best tool. And if you're thinking about why website speed matters, well, here's why. A 1 second delay can drop customer satisfaction by 16%. Slow websites rank lower on Google, and slow website cause higher bounce rate on mobiles. A faster website means happy customers and more traffic. Sounds good, right? Now let's dive into the main reasons that slow down your website. Keep this in mind that these issues might not apply for everyone. These are some of the most common issues that I and many others have faced. So you could check them out and see what's affecting your website. So the issues could be slow internet, the most important factor. Slow hosting, cheap and cheat hosting can affect your website speed. So consider upgrading. Outdated WordPress version or outdated plugins, too many widgets, unoptimized images, heavy page builders, unminified CSS and JavaScripts, and finally, not having a CDN, that is Content Delivery Network. A content delivery network saves your entire website on global servers for faster performance. For example, your main server is in America and a man from Japan tries to access it. Data has to transfer from all the way from US to Japan, and it's a lot of distance. It's not efficient. However, with CDN, different servers are created across the globe, and the server that is close to the Japan will fetch the data to the visitor. This method is efficient and it also improves website experience. Now, let's have a look at website and let's test its speed and see how we can improve it. So here I have this website on which I will run the speed test. Copying this link. Search for page speed insight. This one, web.development. Pasting the website link and click analyze. Once the analysis is complete, you will see the results for mobile and desktop. You will see various scores. For mobile, performance is 69, accessibility is nice 87, best practices 96, and SEO is 61. For desktop, performance is 72, accessibility is nice 91, best practices 96, and SEO is 61, same as mobile. If you scroll down, you will see these speed metrics. LCP, largest contentful pane. It measures how long it takes for the largest element to load in the visible area of the web page. It should be under 2.5 seconds. So this earth image is the LCP here. Next, CLS, that is cumulative layout shift. It measures how stable the page layout is as it loads. A good score ensures elements don't unexpectedly shift while the page loads. These two are really important as they are part of core web vitals. Then we have FCP, that is first contentful paint, time taken for the first visible element to load. Total blocking time, TBT, measures the time browser is blocked from responding to user input. It should be under 50 milliseconds. It is good over here. Finally, we have speed index. It measures the time taken by the above fold or first viewport we say. So above fold or viewport is the section we see by default on mobiles and desktop. No scrolling, nothing. It should be less than 2 seconds for desktop and less than 3 seconds for mobile. Both NitroPack and Lightspeed are excellent tools to improve your website speed with minimum effort. Before we dive into these tools, here are a few things to keep in mind. Uninstall any other cache tools. If you have any other caching plugin installed, uninstall them before adding a new one to avoid conflicts. Ensure your tools are compatible with your WordPress version, page builder, and theme. Compatibility is important. Lastly, choose the right tool for your website. These tools may not be one size fits all. Some might work great for a website with simple content, while others are better suited for sites with heavy content or e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce. Test out the tools and select the one that performs the best for your specific needs. So let's first install NitroPack. Go to Dashboard, Plugins, add new plugins, search for NitroPack, install and activate it. Now you can see the NitroPack here. Click on Dashboard, connect, sign in with your email, verifying it, and now add your site URL, site name. Next in the packages, selecting the free package. Oh, they are environmental conscious as well, and that's a good thing. Okay, so in the free plan, it will include a badge at the end of the footer. If you want me to create a video on how to remove the badge from the footer, do let me know in the comment section below. So now you can see this NitroPack dashboard where you can see the optimized page status, number of pages optimized. Next is the optimization mode that is set to ludicrous by default, and it is the strongest one. Just enabling HTML compression to reduce HTML file size. Make sure to test your site and also check if the elements are working properly after turning on this HTML compression. If not, then turn this off. Purge cache to remove old cache versions. Now let's check the website speed. Before NitroPack, the results are here. Now let's duplicate this tab and rerun the analysis. If it improves in one click, then congratulations. You don't have to customize it any further. Oh my, it has improved a lot. Previously, it was 69 in performance, but now it has increased to 92 in performance. And in desktop, 99 in performance, and accessibility has increased to 96. The remaining metrics are same. So if your site improved with this mode, then there's no need to change it. But if it doesn't show any differences or it breaks your site, change the mode, clear the cache, and then check it again. Repeat the process to see which mode works and you get a better speed. I am not going to change the mode, it works well for me with HTML compression. If you need a detailed NitroPack tutorial, let me know in the comment section below. For other key optimizations, click on this Go To app. The optimization status shows the total pages that needs to be optimized. All the 10 pages are optimized. Okay, so before using NitroPack, keep these drawbacks in mind. In the free version, CDN bandwidth is only at 1 GB. Oh, and NitroPack uses Cloudflare CDN. The page limitation is 5,000 page views per month. And the small NitroPack footer badge appears in the free version as we discussed before. Once this limit is completed, NitroPack gets disabled. Here are the cache settings, images and media, lazy load images, delay images till visitors scroll to it, lazy load iframes that delays video as well until the visitors scroll to it, image optimization set to 80%. You can change it and compare it. Quick tip. Once you make any changes to these settings, then the mode will change to custom mode and you have to customize it on your own. If you are non-tech, I suggest you to go with the predefined modes and you will most probably get the desired results from it. Adaptive image sizing. It's a pro feature that automatically adjusts image sizes for different devices. Other key settings include delayed scripts, delays loading non-essential scripts for faster speeds, combined JavaScripts, reduces server requests. Make sure to check your site if it's working properly when you enable it and increase the speed. And the HTML and CSS. Again, make sure to check your site and speed by turning them on one by one. Font compression reduces font size for faster text rendering. Then in the cache settings, we have cache expiration time. By default, it is 30 days, after which the cache updates. Stale cache expiration time it is set to 5 minutes, meaning the system checks for updates every 5 minutes if there is new version available or not. Optimize ads. Ads can slow down your site. You can turn it off if you want. Next, this is the banner that will appear at the footer. So these were the settings for NitroPack. Now let's move on to Lightspeed Cache. Disabling the NitroPack. This plugin is optimized for websites or Lightspeed servers, but don't worry, you can still use it with websites on other servers like Apache and Nginx, but it won't be that efficient and offer reduced functionality. Once activated, you will see Lightspeed Cache here in the sidebar. It's an all-in-one tool for optimizing images, pages, and files, while also offering a CDN for faster delivery, just like NitroPack. However, they offer quick.cloud CDN. Check your site speed after enabling it. If the default settings work well, awesome, no need to change anything. Let's duplicate the speed test. It's before NitroPack. Analyze. Oh, the speed has decreased as compared to the previous metrics. Let's customize it. From the presets, you can select from these defined settings if you don't want to customize it on your own. You can try any of these risk-free. Just select apply, check your website speed, and also check your website. Is it working fine? Did it break your site? Try these and select the one that fits well. Selecting advanced, that is recommended. And don't worry, all your previous settings will be saved in the history, so you could reuse it. Pro tip, avoid using other image optimization plugins alongside Lightspeed for compatibility. Okay, the metrics have improved, but not that much. Let's change it to extreme and let's test if the site is working properly. Okay, it has improved a lot, but for mobiles, we need to adjust one more setting. So going to the cache. Here, turn off cache on mobile. Since the desktop cache is already responsive for mobile as well, so there's no need to save a cache on mobile. So turning it off, save changes, and now let's test it again. And here we have it. The metrics has improved for both mobile and desktop. I'll be creating another detailed video on Lightspeed customization and what all these settings mean, so stay tuned for it. Just tell some features. Automatically upgrades when the latest version is available. Keep it off because manual upgrading is better. I mean, you have to see if the latest update is compatible with your other features like themes, plugins, this domain key to connect to Quick Cloud CDN. In image optimization, there is auto request cron that will automatically optimize these images that are uploaded. Auto pull pulls the optimized images from the Quick Cloud. Remove original backups. It deletes the original images permanently after fetching optimized images. But if your optimized images are not clear and nice, you won't be able to get your original images back, so you have to make sure if you want it or not. Optimize lossily means that it will optimize images, focusing on quality of images rather than size. If it's a website where image quality matters a lot, like photographer's portfolio, then you can use it. But if the size of images matter more to you than quality, then you have to keep it off. Then we have page optimization, where you can optimize HTML, CSS, JS files. And you know the trick, right? Enable it, check your site, run the speed test. If it's working fine, then good. Media settings. Then the database. In the database optimization settings, you can limit this revision max number, like 5. Then it will only save the last 5 latest version of your post, saving space and improving speed. If it is set to 0, it will save all the revisions you will make. In the revision max age, Set the day you want the revisions to be saved in the database. You can set it according to your preference. So now we have used both the tools. This is the default speed test before we used any tools. This is the speed test with light speed. And this is the one with NitroPack, and clearly NitroPack is winning. However, it may not be the same for you. At the end of the day, the right choice comes down to your hosting setup and how much control you want over optimization. If you're looking for a hands-off, beginner-friendly solution, NitroPack is a great pick. Just be mindful of the pricing as the traffic grows. But if you're on a Lightspeed server and want deeper customization, Lightspeed Cache is the clear winner. Whichever you choose, don't forget to test your site speed before and after installation to see the real impact. So this is how you can improve your website speed using these two tools. And if these two tools do not work, you can try Seraphinite Accelerator and Airlift. Do let me know what you guys think about those tools. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos.